What's up, guys? It is Power Blast X here, back with another video, and today the Dell OptiPlex 9020 returns, and today we're gonna be trying to get Windows 98 on this thing. Yeah, Windows 98. So this thing's like 2014 PC. It has an i5 4th gen, so that's why I'm calling it modern age, because obviously it's not modern by today. Like, it's old, but still modern enough that Windows 98 is just like completely like not for this thing. Obviously, like, it's this extremely overkill. So the side panel just pops off. Yeah, it's just a pretty typical OptiPlex 9020 SFF. Pretty nice. Take the DVD drive. There's your hard drive. Let's actually get this thing turned on. Here is the DVD we'll be trying first. So this is actually a DVD I made like, I don't know, like 6 years ago. Like in the year 2020, I was like 10, 11 years old. I was just messing around. I just found this in the basement of my house. Right now I'm 16 years old. I completely forgot I even made this, but hopefully it works. It's just a stock DVD. I honestly doubt this will work, but turn it on. Let's turn it on. So let's pop the disc open. Let's go into the boot menu. Insert our DVD. DVD's inserted. Now let's choose CD drive. We gotta wait. Okay, that's a good sign. Look at that. It's actually showing the Microsoft Windows 98 CD-ROM starter menu. Look, good sign so far. Boot from CD-ROM. I think that's what we want. Start the setup. Start the setup. No drives found. That is not good. That is not a good sign. It's probably because I need like a legacy mode. That's why. Is it just gonna? No, the setup files were not found. Alright, we gotta turn that off. Can we just exit? Doesn't even work. Okay, so let's just turn it off. Let's maybe try changing the BIOS mode from SATA to ATA. Alright, so yeah, we want to go to BIOS setup. We're gonna go to the BIOS, and here's the BIOS of the OptiPlex 9020. So we're gonna be going to, where is it at? Okay, first of all, boot sections. It is such a legacy. That's good. We need legacy enabled, definitely. System configuration. ATA. This is important. This is like a legacy mode. ATA. That is not good. It's showing no drives found again. Yeah, that is not good. I do not think. Maybe just. Are you serious, dude? Dude, no way. No way. Dude. Yo. Yo. Dude. Dude, it actually, yo, the mouse moves. Okay, the mouse is so glitchy, but it's like moving in opposite directions. Why is the mouse so glitchy? Okay, guys, I found some flags to maybe bypass that RAM check, so let's try it. Dude, are we serious right now? No way. Yo. Remove diskette. I don't have a diskette. I'm just gonna press the key. And now it's frozen. Okay, it's now the next day, so this is now like, well, like the third day now. This is the third day of making this video, and this time, instead of doing FreeDOS, I decided to try the MS-DOS option in Rufus. So let's see if that will fix that issue. So let's boot back into the USB drive. So this MS-DOS, I don't even know if MS-DOS is boot. Windows cannot completely. I don't know what that was, but okay. Now let's just set up. Let's do our switches again. We're back in the setup. Let's see if this works or if it didn't work. Are you kidding me, dude? Yo, we actually got in the setup. Okay, the mouse is still glitchy, so we're definitely not using the mouse. Yeah, the mouse is just too glitchy. I'm not gonna use the mouse. So that keeps like auto like clicking, even though I'm not clicking. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna use the keyboard. So D Windows. Dude, why is this working? Holy crap, dude. I guess let's do typical. The most common components. Well, why is it like flickering like that? What? Oh wait, that's only my capture card. What is up with my capture card? Okay, I don't know what that glitch was, but it only showed up on my capture card. But dude, this is literally like, this is just crazy. This works. Are we actually serious right now? So we're now restarting. So we're gonna have to obviously boot back to USB because that's where, yeah, that's also what I'm decided to. I'm not gonna install it on the hard drive. Now I'm just gonna decide to just run everything off the USB drive. I think it was just gonna make it easier than trying to like do SATA drivers and stuff. So back to USB. So we'll just like automatically. Yo. It showed it for like 1 second, but then it just gave me this error. I don't know what. What is this? The following file is missing or corrupted command.com. I don't know what that is. CD Windows. What? DIR is missing. What? I can't even exit? Okay, that's not good, but I mean, yeah, that is not a good sign. What do I do now? This time I used, I restarted the whole setup now. So I restarted the entire setup, but this time, instead of using any ruthless option, this time I just used the MS-DOS 7.1 ISO. So I actually like grabbed that off the internet. So let's see if this will work now. MS-DOS 7.1. Yo, okay. We're getting further. This time it's not like getting stuck at this, like, oh, okay, insufficient memory. Alright, we're getting farther. Before, like, it just like, it instantly just like crashed, but this time it's actually like working. But insufficient memory. Okay. It is now it is now safe to turn off your computer. I don't know. Let's try removing. It's because I have too much RAM. That's the issue. I have too much RAM. This thing has like 8 gigabytes of RAM, so it's definitely enough. But maybe like the ISO I use only supports 4 gigs plus. So let's remove a RAM stick right now. Hopefully I don't end up breaking the RAM because RAM is expensive now. So open it up, flip up the USB drive, disconnect my hard drive. I don't even need the hard drive because I'm doing this USB. So I'm not even gonna put the hard drive back in because I don't even need it, because we're gonna be doing this all in USB. Let's get this out of here. And look at our beautiful RAM here. Let's get one stick out. With that, one RAM stick is removed. Samsung RAM. So this is like a 4 gigabyte stick. Hopefully this works now. I'm just gonna put it. Oh wait, what I'm gonna do with the DVD drive? I'm gonna mount this back. Yo, 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 was that it? There was no way that was it. So what did I just edited like I think system.ini and system.ini and I also edited config.sys and I added like device stuff and max disk page and like max file cache and all that. Oh, but it looks like it's just hanging here though. I don't know what it's doing. But yeah, what is it doing? I don't know. Oh my gosh. We're getting the drums. User information. Why does this look like what kind of setup is this? Like I've never seen this kind of Windows 98 setup before. It's like not like that much graphical, but okay. Does the keyboard work? It does. Jay, let's just type Power Blast X. I accept the agreement. It just automatically had a product key typed in. Okay. Wait, that's it. Okay. Yeah, this is the part I was talking. Never mind. Okay, now initializing. So we're in the next stage of setup now. We are officially in the next stage of setup. This is just wow, dude. Plug and play devices you might have. I don't think it's gonna find any. There's no way. I don't think it's gonna find a single one. So, anyways, Windows 98, dude. Like, it's working. It's working, dude. Like, we're in the second stage, which is actually true. And by the way, the first stage isn't really Windows 98. It's just like a graphical interface on top of DOS. But this right here is actual Windows 98. And yeah, this is just epic, dude. So yeah, editing config.ini was there, and I also just removed the RAM stick, and now it just kind of works. It's just working smoothly now. It's detecting again. I don't think it's gonna find anything again, but alright, I guess let's let it finish now. Okay, guys, so I restarted, but then it gave me another memory error. So, like, yeah, the setup did finish, but now it gave me another memory error. So, I guess I gotta see what I can do now. Alright, guys, so I think I spelled something wrong in the config.sys when I was like editing it. So, I like corrected my misspelling. I think that was literally the error. So, let's just try it again. Let's try booting Windows 98 again. Not enough memory, okay. I guess let's try Hydmem X now. I guess I'll be probably waiting for this, so I don't know. I guess you just download it. And this is all the files. Dude, what? I have to compile it myself? Wait, what is this? Wait, how do I even use this? What? Never mind. I don't think you have to do all. I think all you need is just this file, hydmemx.exe. So let's first extract it. And then we're gonna copy this to my Windows 98 USB. And then I'm just gonna copy it over to the root right here. Now we gotta find config.sys. Oh, but it looks like config.sys isn't even like, I don't think I can even edit it from here. So I guess I have to actually now go back to the computer now and just edit it from there. That's actually, man, that's inconvenient, bro. I wish I could just do it from here, but okay. Never mind, I would just hit it. I edited some settings and now it shows up. So let's edit it now. Open with Notepad. There we go. We have config.sys. So now I guess we gotta do device equals c:/hi memx.exe/max equals 524.288. And I think we have to delete this line actually, so just backspace that, Control X, Control V. There we go. I think that's what yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. And now we just save. Okay, let's hope this now works. Yo, that was it. That was it. Yo, it works. Let's go, dude. HyMemX saved us. I don't think we have a password, so. Ew, that's 8240 cool. Q, that's just the monitor. Anyways, search for, I don't care, just do it, just do it. Wait, I better not ask me this like a million times. Opening the mouse sucks. Dude, okay. Updating system settings. This is crazy. We just got on Windows 98, but man. It's like the welcome thing, it just looks terrible. Oh my god, the mouse cursor is so bad, look at this. I'm not even clicking to it, I'm not clicking, it's literally clicking stuff by itself. Yo, this is not good at all. The mouse is so like glitchy and stuff. What if I try like a different USB port? Let me try a different USB port for the mouse. Yeah, still the same thing, but damn, bro. We got our Windows 98. We successfully just installed 98. Dude, this is like a big moment for dude. Windows 98. So hey, like we could say we got 98 installed, but man, this is gonna be so bad to use. Like the mouse cursor. This is so hard to use, dude. And I don't have another mouse, so this is like the only mouse I have. Dude, this is like literally unusable. I don't even think we could use the system. We have to use the keyboard. Oh. Like, how are we gonna navigate the system? It's just like doing stuff by itself. Oh, move the taskbar to the bottom, dude. Come on, stop. Let me at least move the taskbar to the bottom. This is like... Oh gosh, dude. Yo, it's opening so much stuff. Hey, I mean it works, but like, it is unusable. The mouse... Oh, but it is open. MSN Internet. Dude, I don't care about this. This is all F4. Close this, please. Like, it thinks I'm clicking something, but I'm literally not. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. I'm just gonna turn off my mouse. We have to use a keyboard for this. Okay, so Windows 98 is installed. Look at this. This is amazing. Can we navigate stuff? Control panel. Display. Oh yeah, let's see what display. Oh, we could change the wallpaper. Let's change it to Windows 98. There we go, that's beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. Microsoft Windows 98 on the
OptiPlex 9. It's not. It can't even see my like. Is it saying x86 family? Like it's not. It can't even grab like the proper name of the CPU. But yeah, it is Haswell. Genuine Intel. Telephony. What is that? Anyways, let's just close that. Dude, I think this is honestly like as far as we can get though. Like with like drivers, there's no chance we can drive. We could probably get a VBE, but honestly, I'm happy with this. I'm totally happy with this. What do we have? Accessories. Do I have any games? Entertainment. All right. Internet tools, system tools, communication, paint. I don't think we could use paint because my mouse doesn't work properly. Startup, nothing. This is amazing, dude. Below. Windows Media Player. It works. Favorites, nothing. Document settings. Find stuff. Wow. This is so like bad to use though. Internet Explorer. MSN Internet Explorer. Can't even use it. Can't even make it crash. Yo, that actually causes a crash? That is that's crazy. Yep, typing that crash causes 98 to crash. Now it's just a black screen. If I would just turn it off and back on. Scan. I don't care about scan this, dude. And we're back. Why is my taskbar back to the left? Honestly, the welcome thing isn't actually that like bad. Turn the mouse back on. This is like unusable, dude. Yeah? Pick up कैसे? Pick up कैसे? कोया से? Drop off कर?
Okay, guys, so I don't think we're gonna be able to get it working anymore. Like, I don't think we're gonna be able to make it work like more than it does now. So let's just say we're done with it. So let's just turn it on now. Let's head to the boot menu. Oh, because I didn't put a hard drive, but yeah, obviously everything is off the USB drive. You can see it shows the 98 logo. It's just the memory thing, and yep, it's very fast. Look at how fast it is. It's like less than 5-second boot up, but why it's open? It opens a lot of stuff because something I noticed, it opens like stuff that I had to open before I turned it off. I don't know why, but the mouse is just super glitchy. I tried another mouse, it's the same thing. I tried this one. These two both do. This is wireless. This is wired. They both do the same thing. So that's just how it's like. So you only have the keyboard to navigate. this is so like annoying, dude. I don't know what this. I don't even know how I ended up getting this, but this is the most it's gonna work. Yeah. I don't think we could get any further than this. Oh, and the mouse is moving by itself again. You have documents, programs. You already did all this stuff. MS-DOS prompts. Okay, let's just take a look at the control panel one more time just to see, like, you know, the system properties, so you can see like the model and the CPU and all that settings and settings. Control. Oh my gosh, dude, this is just so annoying. Yeah, just unplug the mouse. The mouse is just clicking by itself. It's just so hard to use like this. Did it just freeze up? Alt F4. It just froze. Okay. Turn it back on. Yeah, I know it's kind of disappointing that but like, yeah, we literally just can't really use it that much because we pretty much need a mouse to use it that much. But even with the mouse, it's not going to be a good experience anyways. Look how fast it is though. Oh my gosh. Literally 5 seconds to boot up. That was only 5 seconds. They're just opening a lot of shit up. Go to system. Look at that. Here's an epic Windows 98 success. I mean, it's still a success because I was able to install it. So, Windows 98 running natively on modern, well, quote unquote modern hardware. Look at this thing, the Dell OptiPlex. Yeah, I removed the DVD drive. It's right here, by the way. I don't know, I just made it easier. So it's not broken, by the way. It works, but I just removed it. It just makes it like, he's like, you know, I took out the hard drive because we don't need the hard drive, and the DVD drive has got in the way too. So I just removed it because we don't need it because everything is off the USB. Let's see what happens if I remove the USB drive. Nothing. Well, I can still control with it. And it's frozen. Yeah, that's what I expected. Again, because like everything is okay. Okay. Press any key, now it's just dead. Explorer, yeah. What if I plug it back in? Again, because the whole system is off the USB drive. That's where the Windows 98 is on. I do Control Alt Delete. Nothing. Yeah, look at that. I just broke it, but thank y'all for watching, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Okay. This right here. Wow, look at these old blue screens, bro. These old blue screens are cool to see. The old ass BSOD. It looks so weird, but thank you for watching, man. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know what we should do next. Windows 3.1. Let's try Windows 3.1 next. Yeah, let's do that. Windows 3.1. Honestly, I don't know how it's gonna go, but 50 likes. Windows 3.1. But I hope you'll. Thank y'all for watching this far. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. It is now the night. I just gotta sleep now. Today is a Monday too, by the way. It is a school night too, so I gotta get going to school tomorrow. But thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment. Until then, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, guys.